are experiencing some very blustery conditions right now. The winds are fast going and they're whipping sideways. We're also experiencing a lot of that wet, heavy snow we were expecting, in addition to a lot of chunks of ice coming down from the sky. Very difficult conditions for walking or even driving. And behind me, we're about an hour past high tide. You see the ocean churning. A very serious condition here with a triple threat of severe weather that's brought this town to a standstill. Downtown Sandwich shut down. Shops and restaurants closed. Barely any cars out on the roads.
I think you have to be careful.
Worried about those road conditions, Pam Miller decided walking is a better option. She says the snow really isn't that bad, but there's another part of this storm she just can't stand.
It's the wind. It's the wind, the gusts of wind. I don't mind the cold. There's a gust, and then it feels like you're freezing, and yet you have all these layers on.
We didn't see any people digging out, but we did find a few at stores stocking up.
Very soon I'm going home and I'm going to stay in.
William Gill says he's taking his time behind the wheel and then taking himself home.
For us, it's going to be call it a day and ride it out. We're going to, hopefully it's not as bad as they say.
Sandwich DPW hoping the same, but salting the roads early and often. Still, it's an icy, slushy mess. Imagine having to spend the day driving and working in the storm.
It slows you down a little bit. The snow makes it a little more slick, so you just have to be careful. And back out here live, one more look at the conditions here. Again, very blustery. The wind's blowing sideways. A lot of the wet, heavy snow we were expecting in addition to icy conditions. And right there, you see me almost lose my step there from the wind. We spoke to the DPW crews earlier today. They say they're doing a good job keeping up with the snow now, but they also have 26 private plows they could call into action if conditions on the roads get too bad. Live here in Sandwich, Frank Holland, WCVB News Center 5.